In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Dominican cake. You'll need all-purpose flour, butter, sugar, orange juice, Dominican vanilla, salt, lime zest, baking powder, egg yolks, and egg whites. And for the filling, I'm going to use guava paste and water. You'll need egg white for the frosting, sugar, cream of tartar, Dominican vanilla, water, and food coloring. And of course, I always post the full measurements down at the description box. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the baking powder and the salt to the flour, and I'm just going to mix that together. Now I'm just going to beat the butter in the mixer until it's nice and smooth. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add the sugar with the mixer on low speed. I'm going to gradually put the speed up. So now with your mixer on low, you're going to add your egg yolks in one by one. And now I'm going to add the vanilla. And now I lowered the speed and I'm going to start adding the flour. Then I'm going to add some of the orange juice. Flour. And now I'm going to add more orange juice. And then I'm going to end with the flour. So now that we've finished mixing the batter, I'm just going to add the lemon zest. Now I'm going to go ahead and beat the egg whites. I'm going to add half of the egg whites. And I'm just going to fold it in. So I went ahead and I sprayed my baking pan. So now I'm just going to fill my baking pan with half of the cake batter. Give it a few taps. So now I'm just going to bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. So while my cake is baking, I'm just going to go ahead and make my filling. For the filling, you'll need the guava paste and some water. I'm going to put the guava paste in, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of water. Put the heat on low, and I'm going to cover this. So now I'm just going to mix this up, and I'm going to keep on adding as much water as I need to until it's completely melted. So it's been 35 minutes, and now we're ready to make our frosting. So now with my heat on medium, I'm going to go ahead and add the water. While my sugar is heating up, I'm going to start beating the egg whites. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add a cream of tartar. So now you just want your sugar and water to thicken up like a syrup. And try not to let this turn brown. Here you can see how it's thickening up. Now, being very careful, we're going to add the sugar and water mix very slowly. I'm also going to add the vanilla. Alright, so that's it. We're done with the frosting. Alright, so now that we're done with the frosting and the filling and the cake has cooled completely, we're going to go ahead and fill it and frost it. So right now with the frosting, I'm just going to go around the cake. And now I'm going to just fill my cake. And now I'm going to put the other half of the cake right on top. Now I'm just going to go ahead and frost the cake. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.